Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I DIY these braids. Can you see? They're curly at the end. Basically I only used 2 packs. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I DIY. I did this hair myself. It's very easy. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, as well as share with your friends. So guys, I'm going to use these pearl, so hot water braids. This is how they look like. I got them in Pep. They were $25 pack, and you can curl them at the end. This is how they look. Okay, the reflection is too much. You can curl them like this. So yes, let's get started. Oh, you also need this. This is what you'll be using. I actually want a very thick one, so I'm going to braid it. That. And then I'll do this. Okay. And then I'll take this one. And then you just, okay, don't make it too tight because you need the crochet to pass through. So and then you take your crochet needle. Just have your hair ready. Then you take a string of hair.
Stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat.
Then you take the second string, okay?
Suffocating.
And then you just put this on top, and then you do that.
My heart afire.
Bring it through, under, and then you do this.
Set my heart afire. Yeah.
When you part the hair that you put in first must actually be a little bit smaller than the other one.
This bittersweet.
This is the one that I'm going to put in. This is a bigger one that I'm going to put on top.
And always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah. just can't stay still. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within.
So I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. In the front now, and then I'll move on.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Almost done.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire. Nightmares creep while you and me.
I'm done. Oh, feels good. Yes, this is how I like it. Not full, and not a lot on the head. Just nice and easy. Oh,
Set my
so
heart.
beautiful. I look so beautiful. I'm just going to put in oil. We're not done. We're not done yet. We're still gonna finish the ends. So I'm gonna do the other side as well. There's smoke. Be careful not to burn yourself, eh?
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Corona time. So I gotta just steam myself as well.
Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
I'm gonna let it dry. Then I'll come back with a final look. Thank you for watching. And just don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and yeah, subscribe, share, like, and comment. and the method that I use is with a crochet needle, and it helped me because it tightened the roots. Usually sometimes I struggle with the roots, so I feel like this method is very easy, and anyone who struggles to put in hair at the roots, they can actually like work around it.